blow this off real quick. Try and keep my work area as dust free as possible when I'm getting ready to lacquer or stain or paint or whatever. And then the next thing we do, put little blocks down there. A little invention that we didn't have when I was coming up and working in a shop is tack cloth. Do you use tack cloth? Have you heard of it before? It's great for picking up dust on your finished products, especially in a shop that's dusty like this and you're getting ready to varnish or stain or anything like that. You want to run your tack cloth across here and just get all that loose dust up so it doesn't show up in your finished product. And because this tack cloth is kind of old and not doing so well, got to get more, and I'm out. So if you got any suggestions as to where to get it and the best prices on it, let me know. Reach out. Always looking to improve and to save money. And I store it in a little plastic Ziploc bag because it does help it last longer. It doesn't help it pick up ambient dust when it's just sitting on the shelf. And I got a couple bags, but they're all used. Got to get more. That'll be on my list to do between now and Saturday. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day and happy woodworking.